Well, it's been about 2 weeks now since I've made a video. Got sick for a little bit and I was traveling for a conference, but I'm back with another unboxing. Today we got the Neweer portable aluminum alloy 2-in-1 tripod. So this is a tripod as well as a monopod. It can extend to a max height of 70 inches and it has a carrying bag, and it was $39.99 on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get this sucker opened up and see what we got. Of course, with Amazon, it's more boxes, 2 boxes in one. First box. I'm sure there's nothing hidden in there because Amazon likes to do that. This doesn't have any tape. All right. There we go. That is a much more hefty tripod than what we're currently using to shoot with. Let's get this thing expanded out. Yeah, that is a much nicer tripod. It does have a quick release here, which is good. Now the question is, how do you get this monopod out? There we go. Stop here. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, it's got a monopod, which is pretty nice. And it extends up to, like I said, 70 inches. So this should be a nice upgrade for the set there. Hopefully we can, give enough height on here that we can get rid of the Amazon Basics tripod that we're using currently, because that thing is currently set up on the table saw and is quite janky. It likes to slide all over the place and is not very stable. So this has got much stronger legs. I mean, I think the thickness on this piece alone is about the same thickness as the top of the tripod that we're currently using. So that should be nice and stable. Oh, and those feet. Yeah, it's got a nice little ball joint on the feet here to keep it nice and level instead of just having a rubber stop on the ends. So that should be nice. And it looks like it's got, I'm not sure what this is for, counterweight of some sort to help keep things stabilized. Very cool. All right. Well, we'll give this sucker a try and see what we think of it. All right. So now the camera is on the new tripod and it is much better. We've actually got quite a bit more height than the old Amazon Basics tripod that we were using here. And it feels a lot more stable. So like, I'm not worried about the camera moving on me in the middle of a shot as much as I was with this sucker. So yeah, everything is looking very, very good on this video for this tripod. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Click the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more content.